person or an entity who owns the ship. Ibig sabihin nun, he invested in a ship for what reason, class? For profit. Solely for profit. Kasi you will not be investing in a ship if you do not intend to use it as a source of revenue. Tama, di ba?
So, paano ba naratify? Ang convention, normally representing 35% of the world tonnage, at saka dapat may 30 country na mag-ratify. For MLC 2006, tayo ang pang-30 na nag-ratify ng MLC 2006. Kumbaga sa kwan, Philippines ang naging susi ng ma-implement yung MLC 2006. The 35 years of work tonnage had been there all along.